Hi friends, I hope you're quite well. Today I have 50's food banner. These files for Adobe Photoshop and you can use it in Instagram or Facebook. So here is 50 PSD files. You can see all files are editable, and here file is text files. For font, here is font name and here is font link. Just Control C or right click on copy and then open browser and paste your link, enter and download free font. These font use in these templates. So first you download this font and next going to edit these templates. So I drag this file, for example like this. You see here text, shape and effects, and last is replace your photo. No, and I have some photo from web. Drag there. Okay, and delete it. Control S for saving, and you see here, wow, resolution is going down. Enter, Control S. Amazing. Control Shift U, black and white, and you see here, write your brand or your email address or URL, delete it, and here you can change color. Or depend your choice. Apply gradients overlay, here liner and retile. Okay, I close this file and open any other file. For example, this Spanish food. Replace your cutout image, but don't worry, I replace simple image like this. Drag there. Enter. Create clipping mask and then Control S for saving, and you see here our design in shape or our image in shape. Here is color. Oh, so depend your own choice. Change font. Use write anything here, for example Sheri foods, bold and color going there, black. Control S, you see here, or you can write anything, for example. Okay, I know you can do better. No, and here is the coffee, so drag this, and we need a simple image here. Just you can see here shape and effects, and last is replace your image. So open this and drag there, delete it and Control S. Wow, you can more adjust, enter Control S. Wow, I know you can edit your name or your website, your color choice. You see, red or current trends overlay, depend your own choice. And last photo is this file or this, and here is 3 option for images. I think 4 option, one for your photo here, one here, and one there. Change color or simply import your photo like this, replace this text, and our last photo is this, drag there. Oh, convert in low resolutions, enter, right click, create clipping mask, and here is okay, Control S, and you see. But you can edit dish 1, dish 2, or dish 3, dish 4. So, and you can increase size, or you can adjust any color. For example, wow, Italian pizza, and you see behind, replace your image of Italian pizza. But I apply this, I know I tell you just for example, Control S and replace your image, delete it. So I close this file, and you can change color. You see here, enter mask, transparent, so you can edit more. Color overlay, select color, and then red color, click, opacity is down, click green or black, depend your own choice. Okay, and close. I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel for more free data. Take care, Allah Hafiz.